Okay, now my ears like folded over my helmet. I probably should have sorted that out first. So I'm this is my first ride with the black screen on. However, I did realise my mistake while recording the video of me putting it on, that this is not a double bubble screen. It's just single, it doesn't have the extra thing. So yeah, I know there's probably going to be loads of comments on that video if people have watched it, saying that's not a double bubble screen, you keep saying it wrong, that's not a double bubble. Yes, I know, I realised what I said when I was editing the video, but I couldn't be asked. I basically, to record it again and do it properly, I'd either have to just fit the white screen again and do it all over again, just to appease some people, or put some subtitles in, just correcting myself every time I said it, and I was like, I can't be arsed with that, it's just too many times. So today we're going for a ride to meet another moto vlogger. I say moto vlogger, he does videos and stuff. I'll leave his socials in the description. He does do videos, but he doesn't talk. He's wanting to get a moto vlog set up, but he hasn't got one yet. I think he's got to find the confidence to do it. I think I remember him saying to me, but I think he'd do really well. He started his channel after mine, and he's already surpassed me on subs by far, and his videos sound amazing. Like his exhaust system, I think he's got a Zard, I think that's how you say it, a Zard exhaust system, and he's got a mic that he puts like on his back or something, which captures just the pure audio. Why'd I say that so weird? It just captures the pure audio of the exhaust, and it sounds amazing. And I can't wait to hear it in person when he gets his bike back. I'm not going to go into why he don't have his bike at the minute, because you know, that's not my fucking business, it's not my shit to talk about. But once he gets his bike back, I can't wait to hear it. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content I've been putting out as well. There's a lot of footage I get rid of, and I only put out footage I'd watch myself, because that's what I'd find entertaining. So everything you see is stuff I would watch myself if it were in someone's video. All the other parts that you won't see that I've cut out, that's because I think they're boring. I mean, you guys might like them. I might just do random videos of like bits I've cut out, and then if they start taking off, then I might just start leaving them in or something. I love having a motorbike and getting stuck in traffic. It's great. Imagine if that drain cover just gave way. That'd be awful. Foot goes down it, bike goes on top, probably a broken leg from the way you'd land. Ugh. I don't know what this road is. It was a 70 and I believe they switched it to a 40 at one point. I don't know. Eventually, with the help from you guys, with the support you've been doing, the subs, the views and things like that, eventually we will be doing track days on this bike. Which if you guys keep sharing the videos like you're doing, that'll happen a whole lot sooner. And I can proper pump out some high quality footage. But at the moment I'm a bit strapped for time, money, everything else. But with the support you've been throwing my way, keep it going, and it's someday soon. I never actually spoke about what I want to do with the channel. I want to get to the point where I am like the Mr. Beast of the motorcycle world. I was like the Mr. Beast of motor vloggers, giving away things, like giving away like new bikes, like genuinely just buying them and doing giveaways to you guys who might have had your bike nicked and can't afford one, maybe booking your licenses for you. Like I want to get to the point where I'm earning money from you guys that I can, or earning money from YouTube from your guys' views, where I can reinvest that into the community, get more people, bring them on board, you know, get people to try bikes out. You know, it'd be such a good run community events where the money goes to charity. You know, there's loads I want to do. It's just getting to that point where I can do it. I know a lot of people online protest to being, you know, I want to be the Mr. Beast of this, and then they're really fucking selfish, but I've got no reason to be. I've got a family, I've got everything I need. I don't need anything else. I just want it to be my full-time job, and if that's setting myself a set wage out of the YouTube money and then pumping all of it back in, you know, happy days. But that's the route I want the channel to head down. I need support from all you guys so I can be the Mr. Beast of, well, like I said, Mr. Beast of the motorcycle world. Depending, you know, if I had Mr. Beast's money, if I had that kind of money, I'd book out a track and I'd get subscribers to come down to the track. They'd have levers supplied for them and stuff like that, and I'd get them to race to earn a brand new bike. They'd all be on the same bike, same engines, exactly the same, and I get them to race around this track, or whoever gets the fastest lap time wins the bike, wins a brand new bike. You know, things like that. I've got some great ideas lined up, but it's just the money. If I had the money to do it, what are you doing? If I had the money to do it, I would. But unfortunately, I'm broke. I can't be affording to buy new bikes and give them away. I met up with Seb.Easters.Bikes. It was lovely chatting to him for the past 2 hours or so. Sat in the pub. It was nice to finally meet him, put a face to the name. He loves the bike. Everybody does. The videos and stuff don't do it justice. Like, it's such a lovely bike, man. Like, you need to see this shit in person. It's so nice. His horse is popping away. I fucking love this bike. I love it so much, man. There's something like there's just something about being out, being free. It tickles. It just itches and tickles that part of my brain. It's like I've got ADD or ADHD or some shit like that, and this is just my fulfillment. Before anyone comments saying fucking, why are you saying you've got that? Have you been diagnosed? It's not funny to fucking say shit like that, blah blah blah. Like, trust me, if you saw me on a day-to-day, or the way I am around my missus, like, you'd probably think I had autism or something anyway. And I've got a son who's autistic before anybody starts fucking commenting about that, saying don't make jokes. So fuck yous, fuck the lot of yous. Don't know if there's any gravel. I don't know these roads. I should probably warm up my tyres a bit before fucking tearing it down here. I wouldn't say I'm tearing it. Skirt. That's wet. Hey. Manchester Lakeside Holiday Park. Ooh, that'd be nice for some photos, wouldn't it? If you can tell, I'm a bit more upbeat and a bit more excited. That's because of my last video. For those who didn't watch that video and are new to the channel or whatever, I signed off from the British Army. I've never been happier. Even though I'm still currently serving until my tenure is up, I still couldn't be happier. It's like a weight off my shoulders. Not that it's a bad job, I just wasn't enjoying it anymore. A personal preference. So I'm happy that I've tendered my resignation. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't worry, there's bigger and better things coming. Keep up the sharing, keep up the comments, keep liking, because the bigger we make this community, the better things will come, especially your way. Because like I said, I want to be the Mr. Beast of the motorbike community. And I want to be the Mr. Beast of the UK as well, to be honest, because we don't really have one in the UK, do we? But anyway, I'm going to cut this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.